as I always tell Dana and people in our community, because I know that we are not alone. I know that you are with us every step of the way. Not only since October 7, before October 7, you were there for us. And this is why we know that you will be the day after. And it means the world to us. And it's important for me that Dana, we know you in person. She is the leader in the education part. And if we know that we are not alone, these kids will know for sure that you are with us every step of the way. תודה. Thank you.
תודה.
אנחנו בעצם חזרנו לאשכול לפני כשבועיים ופתחנו את בית הספר כאן בגבולות, אחרי שכמעט 5 חודשים הילדים היו מפוזרים בכל חלקי הארץ, ובשבילנו זאת הייתה זכות גדולה להתחיל ולהחזיר את המשפחות ואת הילדים לאשכול ולהתחיל לחזור הביתה, לחבר קהילות ולטעת מחדש תקווה בחיים באשכול.
So we came back in the last 2 weeks. In the last past week we started really to operate the entire system, the school system, after being spread all over Israel after the atrocities of October 7. We were in so many different places around Israel, and we needed to feel that we are still with each other going through these tough moments. We lost a lot of people. And reopening the school system and planting hope, planting the seeds of returning home is very important for us. And to know that our kids will get the best answer to their needs, this is what brings people to go back home, to trust the place that we lived in for so many years, and to remember that we will overcome these atrocities that we went through.
הילדים מרגישים עם החזרה תחושות מאוד מעורבות כמו המשפחות. זאת אומרת, התרגשות מאוד גדולה בחזרה, אבל גם עם הרבה מאוד מורכבות וחשש, גם לגבי החזרה לחיים באשכול מבחינת הביטחון, וגם בחלקים הרגשיים שהם מאוד 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 מורכבים בחזרה.
Behind it, there are many complexities. Returning home is on one hand so exciting for them. Going back to their own home, they were not in their own home. They were in hotels or staying at other people's houses, and it was tough. So there is this excitement of I'm going back to my home and I'm going to meet my friends and my teachers. On the other hand, there are a lot of complexity, emotional complexities of am I really safe at home? You know, the crisis of October 7 is much more than the crisis in trust in the country, but in the parents. Think about a child was told by his parents, we told them, you are safe, and suddenly they're not sure. Am I safe after everything that happened? But coming back here, being surrounded in the school, trying to provide all the support, not only academic, mostly not academic, emotional, social support that they need. And what we see behind us is not only the complexity of kids, it's also the complexity for the staff people. Everything is very fragile. But in this, there is this leadership that is saying we're breathing deep, we cannot change October 7, but we choose to become better and stronger from it. And the fact that we're not alone, and you are reminding it to us, and you are giving us the means to be able to focus on the needs of the kids, knowing that you are helping in many other aspects behind the scenes to allow us to be available for the kids, to support the staff people, the teachers, the educators. This is what we are doing here together, and this is the only way to rehabilitate and rebuild from the destruction. So I will tell you that the Goodness Project is here every day in spirit. So תודה. Thank you for this.
תודה.
ואני רוצה להגיד משהו באנגלית, בסדר? לאורחים שלנו. אבל אני רוצה שתזכרו שאנחנו כישראלים וכיהודים, הכי חשוב שנזכור שאנחנו לא לבד, שיש לנו חברים נהדרים בכל העולם, ופה יש לנו את החברים שלנו מארצות הברית, שבאים ואומרים, לא משנה מה, אנחנו איתכם.
We are extremely joyful to have you with us and thank you deeply for all your support. Thank you very much.
תודה רבה.